Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and prune these standard knockout roses. They've grown really tall. It's the end of summer. They've had a lot of growth. They're almost, I think maybe 7 feet, maybe 8 feet tall, maybe 7. So I want to go ahead and prune them back down so that they can start their growth for fall. So we have 3 of them in the back. So all of this growth will be gone. And I have 4 in the front. The ones in the back grow way more aggressively than the ones in the front. Maybe it's the type of soil that I have. But this is how they're looking like before I start the pruning process. I'll probably bring them down definitely by more than half. So they'll look very tiny by the time I'm done. This seems to be the tallest one. It's almost above the fence, and I think the fence is 8 feet tall, I think. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll start with this one right here. So with this fall pruning, I'm just reducing the size. I do the harsh pruning in the winter time for the roses. So this, I just want to control the size so that it flushes out, but not severe pruning, such that it damages a tree during the winter time, in case we have a freeze. And with the roses, I don't put the prune material in the compost. Number one, because of the thorns, but also sometimes roses tend to get mildew. So, and I wouldn't want the compost to be contaminated. So I just throw the rose prunings away. So with the roses, you're supposed to prune above a node. If that's a node. If you prune above a node, a new branch will form at the node. So I don't know in cooler regions, how often you're supposed to prune roses. I think it's once in the winter time. But here, because our roses grow throughout the year, I think I prune them about 3 times a year, with the most severe one being the pruning that happens in the winter. But maybe in the colder zones, you can only prune one time in the winter. So I'll try keep this center open as much as possible. So I'm pruning these ones that are growing, these canes that are growing towards the middle. Okay. So I think I'll stop with this one. I ended up pruning it more severely than I thought I would, but I'll save the rest for the winter pruning. So this is how it looks like. Almost nothing is left.